Good morning, everyone. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere, coming at you from beautiful Manchester, New Hampshire with my boy, Chef Keith Sarasin. And today we're gonna be making my favorite Indian dish of all time. It's really an Indo-Chinese dish. This is chili paneer. And what is that? Well,
I'm so excited to make you chili paneer. So we're gonna cook together today. I'm gonna teach him a little bit of the tricks of the trade. This dish is inspired, just like David said. We got the Chinese influence. We've got some soy sauce with really authentic Indian flavors, and then a fun spin. So paneer is typically made with cow's milk. Today we're gonna make it with goat milk. So goat milk paneer adds this different layer to it. This is gonna be a blast, and it's gonna be freaking delicious.
so how do we start?
All right, first thing we start is I marinated that paneer, already pressed it, and we're gonna start cutting that up. You ready to do this thing?
Ready.
Let's do it.
Let's go. While he's cutting the paneer, I'm gonna just try one. Cottage cheese, also known as ricotta.
Yeah, so paneer is really easy to make. You just take the milk, you get either lemon juice or citric acid, you basically get curds, press it, and that's what you get. That's paneer. So we're gonna get some ghee out right here, because I like to start by searing this beautiful paneer in all Desi ghee. Some amount of ghee in there, and this is a traditional Indian pot called a kadai. So we're just chopping up these beautiful peppers here. So you get whole peppers and onions in there, fried. So good. Boom. Can't have enough onion. And I like to chunk these up just like this, because they're gonna get fried right in that ghee. This is lacto-fermented chilies. Basically what you do is you take chilies, you take them down with a little bit of salt, and then you press it. They start to ferment, and then I put this as the main paste with this, with soy sauce and some vinegar. Oh man, now get a smell of this.
Oh, that's chili.
That's chili, right?
Now just try a little bit.
Yeah, just a little bit right there.
It's gonna be hot.
It's gonna be
It's
hot.
gonna be a spicy chili. Oh, chili paneer.
You're gonna get those vegetables nice and sauteed. The traditional Indian spatula is called a palpa. Boom. So now we're gonna flip this all around. And we're gonna sear all this paneer together. I'm gonna add a little bit of Kashmiri chili powder. I dehydrate these and then make this beautiful powder just like that. What we're doing is we're just getting that paneer nice and soft. It's gonna be so good. And so all I wanna do is sear this paneer. You see how it's getting that beautiful like golden color? A little bit of crispiness on it. Just wanna get a little bit of that. A lot of times restaurants will actually coat this in cornstarch and then they'll fry it before they do it to this mixture. I like to do it this way. It gives a little bit more of that softness of the paneer that I think makes this dish beautiful. All right, looks like we're ready for our chili sauce. And now all of a sudden it's gonna smell absolutely amazing.
Guys, the aroma is so intense. It's so good. Oh, spicy. It's gonna be really spicy?
And it's done.
And it's done, that's it?
That's it. Woo. Beautiful paneer. And that uses goat milk, which is gives it a whole other layer to it. And we're gonna finish it off with a little micro cilantro. Perfect way to give it a little bit of color and freshness is this wonderful micro cilantro. And our chili paneer is ready. A piping hot chili paneer.
And here we go. We are breaking our fast at 11 a.m. with some chili paneer. Super hot, mixing with some rice, right?
Long day ahead of us. Here we go.
Here we go. Oh my gosh.
It's a pretty good chili paneer, huh?
Oh my god. And cheese. It's not too dense.
Right.
No, I love that. Falls apart very easily.
Yep.
Nice spices here. Ooh.
It's got a nice kick to it. It's got vinegar, so it has a sourness to it. The thing that makes this dish really cool, that paneer is soft, and the reason is we soak it in that milk. We soak it in all goat's milk. So I reduce the goat's milk after, let it soak right in that, and it's, oh
My gosh. So what's your favorite dish?
Oh man, that's such a hard one. It depends, like in colder months, it's hard to beat like a really good dal and rice.
Oh yeah.
It's just like comfort food to me. Nihari though. You know all about the nihari.
Nihari is awesome.
Nihari is like really amazing. There's this spice blend that's so heavy. Like over 26 different spices going in nahari. It's this thing called tam. It's like, it means super masala.
Super masala.
Yeah.
Wow. This one, dude, I hate saying this. I know I say it a lot, but this is the best chili paneer of all time. This is...
Thank you. I didn't pay him to
delicious.
say that.
No, you know, obviously we're having it, you know, fresh. You just made it, we're eating it hot. Oh, the chili, it's not like overbearing heat. Just nice, subtle.
Yep.
You still feel the tingle, right?
You still feel the tingle.
And I would suggest always pairing it with rice.
Agreed. Like bread can work well, roti works well, chapati works well, but something about rice with it.
Dude, I'm gonna finish the whole thing. It's so good.
Peppers, man, they give it that sweetness when you bite into one.
Plus the onion. Put a little salt in here too.
And it's easy to make this. It's not hard, right? You saw how it came together so fast.
So easy. I say just added a few different things, right? A few different ingredients. Onions, paneer, bell peppers.
Yep.
Then you have this is the cilantro.
Yep, micro cilantro. And like the cool thing about it is you fry it all in Desi ghee. Beautiful, beautiful ghee. And then it comes together really quick. Has this nuttiness to it. Spice is there. And you can control the spice. If you don't like something spicy, you can cut back on it.
Exactly.
But the lacto-fermented peppers, it's one of those things that like, it's that little chef trick that puts it over the top.
And so this cheese, you got fresh goat cheese from the area, right?
So you get fresh goat milk, and then you put it on high heat, and then you're stirring it, and then as it starts to come to that like almost like simmer phase, that's when you put in your lemon or your citric acid, and it separates the fat from the whey, and you scoop up the fat with it and drain it out, and you just tie it and press it, and that's what you get.
And that's how you get these blocks of beautiful
Yep.
paneer. Wow. I'm gonna put all the ingredients below the recipe. Obviously, you're gonna have to do it at home yourself. And I have a 5-star executive chef right here, so I got the best version of this.
And yeah, when you're making this, tag David, tag me, man. Like this is food right here that we love.
I'm not leaving this one.
No.
This cheese, wow.
Yeah.
You know what's good when your mouth starts getting hot?
Yep.
Your nose starts to drip.
The nose has to drip just a little bit. If it's too much, then you need lassis like crazy. But a lassi wouldn't be bad right now, huh?
It wouldn't be bad at all. You know, we only have 3 little pieces of paneer left, so I'm finishing it. Favorite dish. So good, I can't stop. Look at that. The sweat.
So that chili paneer was amazing. Let's show you guys some spices and see how this all comes together. Boom. Let's start with green cardamom. Green cardamom is known as a lychee in Hindi. It's got this beautiful flavor to it. It smells so good. Using a masala chai, it works great with meat. Green cardamom you'll find in a lot of things. It also is really good when you flavor your rice when you cook it. Black cardamom smells a lot like whiskey. It has this beautiful scent to it that's deep and rich. You use a lot of black cardamom in more complex masalas and spice blends. Next, we've got cumin. Cumin is known as jeera in Hindi, and it's one of the backbone spices of so many different dishes. There's a bunch of different styles of cumin. This is just regular old cumin. There's shai jeera as well, which is a black cumin that you use in some dishes that almost smells a little like pine, so it's pretty cool. Next, black mustard seed. Black mustard seed is really pungent. It actually came from China originally. Black mustard seed you're gonna find in a lot of Bengali dishes. It's really small. We use it for tempering, for a technique called tadka. And the cool thing about it is it's pungent, but as soon as you start roasting it, it gets really, really nutty and aromatic. Next up, Ajwain seeds. Ajwain seeds are something maybe you don't know, but first of all, they smell amazing. You'll see Ajwain seeds in a lot of Gujarati cooking. You'll see Ajwain seeds in the dough of samosa as well. Really good.
So many spices. This is ridiculous.
So many spices. Black pepper.
The best.
So black pepper, give that a smell.
Black gold.
Absolutely.
Can I have one?
Absolutely can. And remember where this grows?
Kerala.
Exactly. David's been there. That's a good one. So black pepper, you think of Kerala, you think of It grows everywhere, just like crazy wild. Black pepper has some crazy history too. You know, it was actually used to save Rome. The Visigoths were gonna sack Rome, and one of the things that saved Rome was 40 sacks of black pepper. So garam masala. Garam is the Hindi word for hot, and masala means spice mixture. This smells amazing. This is my homemade garam masala. All the spices that I have here, I grind. So you gotta smell this.
Oh my gosh. The best garam masala. Wow. It's so pungent. It would hit me in the nostrils.
It's not spicy. What it's used to do oftentimes with garam masala is finish dishes. So let's talk Kashmiri chilies. These little boys are fantastic. It's funny, they're not that hot, but what they do is give a beautiful color to dishes, and they smell so delicious. Let's talk cinnamon. Cinnamon is actually bark. Oh, smells so good. Imagine what Thanksgiving in the West would be like without cinnamon in most of your dishes. The cool thing about this is it's actually bark that's stripped off of a tree. This is cassia cinnamon. Different style of cinnamon, less sweet, used in garam masala, used in a lot of different dishes, especially meat dishes and deep dark curries. What's it without cinnamon? You're missing something.
And that is the morning we had super spicy paneer tray. Well, not so spicy. That was spicier.
Yeah, peppercorns don't mess around.
So if you guys don't know about Keith, he is a chef based out of Manchester, New Hampshire. He's opening up a restaurant called Aatma, right? So basically somewhere between here and Boston is where we're gonna open it.
Yep.
And you focus heavily on Indian food. That's what you do.
Yeah, we do authentic flavors with real modern fine dining plating techniques, and every time you come you get a history lesson, and we never repeat courses, so it's gonna be a blast. You're really gonna get a journey through India.
Amazing. And last night we had some biryani. Wow, what incredible biryani. Lamb biryani. We have leftovers, so we're probably gonna have that as a snack now.
Yeah.
And yeah, this is some of the spices. Right here, he has about 25 plus spices. If you guys don't know, India is a land of spices. I mean, that's where most spices of the world come from. From black pepper in Kerala to this one in Kashmir, right? And then everywhere far in between, right?
Absolutely, man. And spices are the backbone of that food, backbone of history, and as my friend Ragini always likes to say, spices are the quiet heroes of history.
Exactly. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video in Chef Keith Sarasin's kitchen. We made chili paneer, we saw a bunch of spices, and yeah, it's another epic day in New Hampshire.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. If you guys love the video, thumbs up, follow him, subscribe to me, and we'll see you in the next raw food adventure somewhere around the world.
Thanks, guys.
Can I? Oh man, that's crazy.
Yeah,
it's just
so
a
good.
bark, huh?
Chew on this.
Chew on that. Is it gonna hurt me?
No, it's gonna be good for you. Is that nice? I like you water too. So good.
So good.
Woo!